Cool. We're back. We're so back. It's never been more back. Eating a little banana. Eating a banana. Who up eating a banana? Who up with their banana? Okay. Cool. Time to turn this music back up. Turn it up to like 70. Something like that. Alright, we're back. Now it's all quiet. Why is it so quiet? Oh, because I changed this on accident. There we go. There we go. Alright, we're gonna get back into this Halo Combat Evolved fucking campaign I was playing from just the other day, right? Haha, it wasn't 4 months ago. It wasn't 4 months ago. Uh-oh. It's cutscene time.
The Covenant believe that what they call the silent cartographer is somewhere under this island.
Uh-huh.
The cartographer is a map room that will lead us to Halo's control center.
Uh-oh.
The island has multiple structures and installations. One of them is the map room.
We're approaching the LZ. It's gonna be hot. Get set to cut out quick. Touchdown. Hit it, Marine.
All right. What's the button to switch? Oh shit! What did I just do? Let's freeze the game. Oh, there we go. Bang! We're so back. So yeah. Gotta remember the fucking controls. It's so weird being able to switch between these two. I kind of dig this more. I think I'm gonna stick with like the OG graphics for the time being. Oh shit! I'm almost dead. Uh-oh. Switching to your secondary. Yup. Right? This looks crazy, bro. There's too much detail. You know what I mean? It's like when you turn the lights on when you're.
Affirmative.
That's a
Echo
joke.
419 inbound. Somebody order a warthog. Hey, I didn't know you made house
Who ordered a warthog?
You know our
Who up with a warthog right now? Uh-oh. It's hog time. It's hog time. It's hog time. Oh shit. It's hog time. Huh? Huh? Oh. Would it not let me fucking... Would not let me ride if I'm right underneath it?
Okay, let's move out. Let's go find the map room that will show us the location of Halo's control center.
Fuck. This is one of those levels where it's like I gotta go around and around and around, right?
Keep it up.
You know what I mean? Like I gotta go like back and forth and back and forth.
Want some more?
What happened to a level just being a level?
Way to go.
You know what I mean?
There, in the cliff wall. I'll bet the silent cartographer is somewhere inside that facility.
Uh-oh. Get out! Holy shit. They were all in there, bro. Oh my god. What the fuck? That was crazy. See the respawn speed? Hold up. Hold up. Bang! W? Oh, bastard.
Nailed it. Keep it up.
Tony, what you up to, brother? Chillin'?
There, in the cliff wall. I'll bet the silent cartographer is somewhere inside that facility.
Oh shit. Oh! Get in, fellas. Get in, fellas. Get in, brother. Crushing him and chicken in my car. W. Common Tony W. For some solo play. You gotta have the SP these days, brother. I'm nothing without my SP.
Take that! Nice shot.
I'm getting a little solo play right now, you know what I'm talking about. You know what I fucking mean. Oh shit. Dude. These bros are dodging like crazy.
Whoa!
God damn. No, my SP got me. Bro, when no one else, the SP is there. You could say I got a practice space. You know what I'm talking about?
Photographer must be here. My analysis
Yeah, I got a
that the
practice
map room
space.
should be at the bottom floor of this facility. Let's keep going inside. Don't let them lock the doors.
Uh-oh. Nice sticky, bro. Oh, I just missed. Right through his penis. Bang!
Interesting.
Where's he going?
I underestimated the Covenant's understanding of Halo subsystems. They've locked the doors, and we don't have enough firepower to get through them.
Cortana to Keys.
Go ahead, Cortana. Have you found the control center?
Negative, Captain. The Covenant have impeded our progress.
This is where the
We can't
practice
proceed
happens.
unless
You
we
know what I'm
can
talking about?
disable this installation security system.
Understood. We're still en route to the objective. I may be out of contact when we get there. Here are your orders. I want you to use any means necessary to force your way into the facility and find Halo's control center. We have to get to the center before the Covenant. And failure, people, is not an option.
Echo 419 to ground teams. I'll stay on station and keep an eye out for Covenant bogies.
Second squad, ready to roll as soon as everybody's topside. LZ looks secure, sir. Nothing moving. Good luck, people. Keys out.
We need to find the security override to get this door open.
Does it like show me where it is? This is where I like gotta do some backtracking now. Right? Come on, bro. Wait, I'm just realizing the chat isn't popping up. I gotta take the hog in there? It's hog time? Wait, is the chat working? Hold up. We them boys. Oh, probably because it's fucking below everything. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Should be bigger. Bang, there we go. Maybe, wait, how do I get it to not do that? Okay, there we go. Um. All right, that should be good. Shit. I got no hog now, dude. Oh my god. What the fuck? Is it like out here? Oh, here it is. What the fuck? Just jam that shit in there. I'm gonna assume I gotta go. Oh. What is this? Okay. Where's the brother supposed to find this fucking... this shit at? You know what I mean? We do need Mike.
It looks like there is a path into the interior of the island.
Oh shit. No, no. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Shit. We would need Mike. What's he even doing right now? Oh, I gotta hit these KPIs for Amazon, bro.
It looks like there is a path into the interior of the island.
Whoa! No running. Right on.
Key pussy indicators. What it's like, you know what I'm talking about? Come on, brother. Ah, shit. Oh, shit. Bitch. Oh, shit. Come on, bro. What the fuck? Excuse me, sir? No way. No way, sir.
It looks like there is a path into the interior of
Keep it up. Good one. Eat it. There's one way to save ammo. That's the best you can do. Eat it, eat it, eat it. Okay.
Eat it, eat it, eat it!
Well, that can't be all of them.
Bro, where are the fucking Covenant, bro? Ah! Shit.
Over there! Everybody down! More here!
Jesus Christ. I'm almost out of fucking ammo now, too? God damn it. Ah. Jesus Christ, this guy won't die. Mike, where you at, brother? Come on, man. Oh, fuck no, dude. Dude, that looks crazy. This is like, what? This is fucking the red pill and the blue pill, brother. Oh, yeah? Conveniently placed. We love to see it. W. Reload these mags. I forgot. How do you... Oops. Ah! Oh my god. Oh jeez. Oh god. 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 Oh Jesus Christ. Oh Jesus fucking Christ. Oh my god. Oh my god. Get me out of here. Oh my god. Get me out of here. Get me out of here. Ah! He's right behind me, isn't he? Oh god. Oh god. Whew. Nice. Oh! See the dodge? I know. Gotta give him back shots. Oh god. Oh Jesus. Nice. Bitch. Bitch. Fucking hoe. Just playing. I'm just playing, folks. It's all love. It's all love here, folks. Oh god. Can't believe how quickly you fucking run out of ammo. I thought I killed him. Bitch. Oh! Did the homies just disappear? Where'd the fucking homies go? Oh shit! Okay. Nice. Oh, what the fuck? You gotta be shitting me. More scarab bros. Oh shit. Psych! Fuck. Ah! Psych! Oh my god. Bastard. There we go. Once again, I'm asking for ammo. Any ammoers?
Use the holo panel to shut down the security system.
Nice.
Good. That should open the door that leads into the main shaft.
So now I gotta backtrack again. Dude, this...
Mayday! Mayday! Dropship Bravo 22 taking
This shit can't shut up about my. I'm her main shaft, bro.
Understood. We're on
What
our
the?
way.
Excuse me. I'm just pissed. Later, brothers. See you later, guys. Couldn't be me. Couldn't be me. Ah.
Chief, Bravo 22 was bringing us some heavy weapons. After I saw we were up against hunters, I thought you could use them. Let's move down the beach. Keep an eye out for any cargo we can salvage.
The main shaft. Come on, bro. Who up thinking? Who up playing with the main shaft? Come on, bro. How you gonna be playing with your shaft, bro? Come on, man. Let me get back to my fucking warhog, man. These stupid ass jackals don't even see me, bro. To waste my overshield and these dickhead. That took away all my overshield? Fucking stupid, dude. That's crazy, bro. Is that it? Tony, are you a regular McChicken guy or a spicy McChicken guy? For sure. The homies are just sitting in the fucking whip waiting for me. They can't help me at all. Fucking freeloaders, bro. No wonder the UNSC is losing this fucking war. Got a bunch of fucking freeloading ass little bitches. Letting Chief take all of the fucking work. The spicy's definitely gas. It's been a minute since I've had the McDonald's fucking. Uh-oh.
Firing!
Bro, they got a scarab over here too? Come on, man. Nice. Oh shit. Oops. And then the homie's just still waiting in the car. It's crazy. So there's a homie with fucking... with the sword. Shafted. Dude, this game cannot shut up about the fucking shaft, bro. Come on, dog. Where is bro? I hear him. Is he upstairs? There he is.
This way!
That was crazy. Like 3 shots. Oh shit! Who told? There, nobody told me they were scarabs. Come on, bro. How do I switch nades? Okay. Is there 2 of them or just 1? Of course, there's 2. Shit. Nice. Oh, did he just die? That's crazy. Cool. I guess I took a shortcut? I gotta go down here. So many OSHA violations and fucking Covenant architecture, dude.
Full hammer to ground teams. You've got 2 enemy dropships coming in fast.
Damn it. Okay, people, we got company coming. Let's set the table. Engage enemy forces on site.
It'll be easier to hold them off from inside the structure. Can you get inside?
Negative. They're closing in too fast. Negative. Chief, you gotta find the cartographer. We'll keep him busy as long as we can.
Give him hell, Marine.
We'll be in a tight spot if we don't get out of here before additional reinforcements arrive. Let's find that map.
Okay, interesting. This is some excruciating cries, man. Jesus Christ. Did I just do a loop? I think I did. I don't remember. So is this...
There. That hollow panel should activate the map. Analyzing. Halo's control center is located there. That structure appears to be some sort of temple or shrine, if I've interpreted this correctly. Interesting. A shrine is an unlikely place to put such a significant installation.
Cortana to Captain Keyes.
The captain has dropped out of contact, Cortana. His ship may be out of range or having equipment problems.
Keep trying. Let me know when you've re-established contact, and then tell him that the Master Chief and I have determined the location of the control center. We'll be heading there as soon as we're topside.
Affirmative. Foehammer out.
Oh. Wait, how do I... Okay. Can't get up that way. No. Do I get up this way? I must, right? Yeah. Such a banger. Get these shields back. So slow. Ah! Am I like... I'm assuming I'm going the right way. I think I am. That's where I just came from. Ah, here we go. I passed by it. Nice. Oh shit. Oh. That's crazy. Did you see that? Word, brother. No. Jesus fucking Christ. No, I want this. Oh, I can't take it? Oh. Whoops. Dude, I thought it was cooking too. Word. Enjoy the solo play, brother. Have fun. Forgot about that.
Cortana to Echo 419.
TTYL, King.
Keep an eye on
Thanks for
topside,
stopping by.
requesting pickup.
Roger.
Ah!
On my way.
Oh, shit. Fucking hell. Get me out of here!
Let's get moving. Bowhammer, here are coordinates and a flight plan I've worked up.
Cortana, these coordinates are underground.
The Covenant did a thorough seismic scan. My analysis shows that Halo is honeycombed with deep tunnels, which circle the whole ring.
I hope your analysis is on the money, Cortana. This delicate won't turn on a dime.
Look on the bright side, Bowhammer. The last thing the Covenant will expect is an aerial insertion from underground.